A couple of weeks ago, at my first booth, or rather tent, at my first craft show. It was a beautiful location located right next to the Mississippi River in western Wisconsin. There were several crafters there selling jewelry, pottery, wood-turned pens, and even t-shirts. Many of the things I had for sale were former projects from my YouTube channel. It was fun seeing all of this work lying side by side. It was kind of like a stroll down memory lane. I had many people visit my tent and looked at my stuff, and it felt like a very successful weekend for me.
Any kind of pieces. In fact, we're building a house there and we're doing the cedar on the deck, and there are all these little pieces. Yes. And we're using them for firewood.
I sold more than a dozen items, and I was even awarded the Outstanding Design Award by the judges of the fair. That prize came with my entry fee back, so that was nice to get. I not only had success selling stuff at the fair, but I enjoyed being there too. There was a tent of the local woodturners group. They had many nice looking bowls and other items on display. The music was wonderful to hear too. The musicians were really good, with a mixture of local and national talent. I'm sure I'll do another show again, and I look forward to seeing how those shows go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support.